Pets are part of our family, so why not include some features around the house with them in mind? Here are a few handy upgrades for both you and your pets to enjoy. Add a pet wash. If you have the space, self-contained units are available that just need water and drain hookups. If you're doing a more major remodel or adding space, consider a custom designed tile or solid surface enclosure. If you're looking for a more economical solution for bathing pets, install a handheld unit in your existing tub or shower. They're available on Amazon for about $40 and easy to hook up. Or how about a pet feeder station? Enjoy the convenience of food, leash, and toy storage, plus a feeding station all in one compact cabinet. Easy to assemble and available on grandinroad.com for $300. Finally, a fun feature that will entertain you, your neighborhood, and pets is a fence window, available on Amazon for about $30.